So sometimes you struggle to push these barbs into polyprop pipe like this. So typically what you'll do is make a hole with one of these punches, and I'll show you that now, and then we'll try and put the barb through there. So now we've punched a hole. I pull this out, and now we can see we have a hole there. If we try and push one of these barbs into that hole, it takes a crap load of effort, and typically you won't get it in. But if you cut a pipe, slightly bigger pipe, that was like this, in half, and then drill a 7mm hole through there, so this can fit through there, and then you obviously have to put it around the pipe, and that should easily get the thing through. I just got one hand, so it's not so easy to show how this is done. So typically that's what we have, and now I just need to press on both sides of this tube to get that in.